Signed sports jerseys, historic artifacts, taxidermy, rare collectibles, and fine art. These items exist in homes and businesses across the country. So what happens when a fire or water loss affects an irreplaceable item? According to an article posted on propertycasualty360.com, restoration is always the best course of action for replaceable items, but it can be difficult without the right experts who understand how to restore without causing further damage. For any contents after a fire or water loss, the value of restoration versus replacement cost is always key. Most everyday items in a home or business are simple to value. A quick Google search does the trick. But specialty and irreplaceable items pose a much harder job of valuation. Monetary value can sometimes be determined based on similar items or auctions, but more than that, these items hold a sentimental value and sometimes a historical value, which can be hard to put a number on. Depending on the location of the loss, there may be several contents restoration companies to choose from, but not all of those will have experience with these specialty items. When researching a prospective vendor, find out what types of items have they restored in the past. Do they clean specialty items in-house or sub them out to another vendor? Do they have references from past jobs you can contact? And do they have secure storage for your high-value items? Here at Renewal Claim Solutions, we have the experience and knowledge to restore many irreplaceable items, but more than that, we care for these items as if they were our own. Returning an irreplaceable item to a customer after restoration is often an unforgettable moment for our team. For a free inspection and estimate, please contact us at 800-960-5022 or visit us online at renewalofneast.com.